Pirohe, also known as Varenyky in Russian. We're going to put the milk in plain flour. All of it. There we go.
How much plain flour is it?
How much plain flour is it?
Well, it depends. I mean, we don't do much. You can use only water, you don't have to use milk, but because I don't like the milk.
What's the difference if you just use water or just use milk?
I use the bottle of milk.
How long do you mix it for? How do you know when to stop?
When should I stop mixing it?
Don't take any water on.
No, I'm just...
That's water.
Extra flavour.
I washed them with soap and everything.
Keep my hands washing all day.
Oh yuck! Oh,
It's kind of coffee. That was too soft.
Now you tell me. Okay. What do you do this?
Scrape a little bit, then I need something. And she has to knead it, and 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 knead it, knead it. That's it, yeah.
Rolling pin. How old is the rolling pin? What year did you get it?
Maybe. Oh, I have no idea how old it is. Maybe more than 50 years because
So it was just before World War II. During World War II you got it.
yeah, 2 years. Maybe I'll do it a bit and then we do it again. You know, it's good, it's not too hard. But remember, you always have to put flour until then when it's thick. And then you make it all much easier for you to hold it.
It's like making a pizza.
Especially the edges have to be all
A bit.
It's like making cookies.
because it was very old. That's what here in Australia and all the rules.
So it's not another souvenir from Germany.
No, that's from here.
I suppose that's only 40 years old or something.
Oh, it's stuck.
Well, yeah, Julie, Holly, that's enough. I mean, that doesn't have to take part off until we finish, that's enough. Now, I have a little spoon. Now I'll show you just first. Just put it like that. I have to put flour in. Maybe you like the spoon.
Can I just do this first?
And just squeeze it and squeeze it and squeeze it and squeeze it and squeeze it. So I always stop that doesn't get rotten. And put in that.
I'm going to do too much.
You put too much in, you put a small spoon.
There we go.
Use that spoon. You know, when you are finished that, and next time you put it in here.
This much?
Oh no, a little bit less.
So what fillings can you have in there? What is that? What pork is it?
Huh?
What's that, pork?
Yeah, pork means that. Yeah.
And what other sort of fillings can you have?
Huh?
What other fillings can you have besides pork?
You can put anything. You can put papusa in it.
Mince or something?
Yeah.
That is mince.
You can make with cheese.
Cottage cheese?
Hmm.
Did you make them with plums as well?
Yeah, not very good. Squeeze it properly, Holly. You have to squeeze very dip them in the flour. See,
Otherwise they'll break open when you're cooking.
squeeze it properly because you don't squeeze it. You'll get all the- That goes like that.
So you can have mince in there, you can have,
Onions and minced steak.
right, what about potatoes?
Wow, you can make. Oh yeah, you can make just with the potatoes as well. Just mashed potatoes and just cheese and potatoes. Make cheese and potatoes.
That's cottage cheese, is it?
Well, I prefer proper cheese. I mean, in the beginning, Holly's Varenyky wouldn't be very nice because they will be a little bit hungry.
I'm only a beginner.
Yeah, no, yeah.
About the 5th time I've made this. Maybe a bit more. Maybe a couple of times.
I mean, we will do more with Varenyky and Holly because she has to get used to it.
It's too much. It's hot. Running with warning.
Push with your finger, meat in it, when you put the meat in with your finger. Yeah, push the meat in. I mean, you can't accept her to make proper Varenyky in her age yet, but that's the one. I mean, I will do more and then we'll come over here and she will do more. What do you have? My dad is sleeping all day. Take.
So other fillings we can have with this include apple, and the cheese that you can have is cream cheese, is it?
Yeah, well, next time when Holly is school holiday, yeah, I'll buy some cheese and I'll show you how.
And you can have, what, half cream cheese and half mashed potato as well?
You have to squeeze it first properly because it's squeezes and squeezes and squeezes. Yeah, you can have a half cheese and half potatoes, yeah,
when you have it with mince, how do you cook the mince before you use it?
You know what? Fry some onions very fine,
Mm.
and when onions is nice and brown, then put mince in and fry for about 20 minutes, and then the mince is ready. Put some chicken cubes in, a little bit of soy sauce in, a little bit of salt. It's on the other one, on the other side here. And that's it.
There's the lucky last one being made. When different fillings are being made at the same time, after they're cooked, it's hard to tell which is which. So often the pattern on the outside, where it's pinched, is varied for different types of fillings.
Okay, I'm going to make spaghetti now because there's no more meat left for the Varenykys. It's the same dough that we use. It's really nice. Okay, I think that's enough. It won't make much, but I'll do it. So, just roll it like that. Very thin.
That's not the way we make spaghetti. It should be very thin.
The next stage is to boil them.
That's it. Yep. Take the wooden spoon and loosen them.
Do they stick together if you don't
Yeah.
separate them?
We do it
Okay.
and
How long do they boil for?
when they all come up, see, when they go,
When they start to float, that's
Yeah.
when they're ready.
when they all come up.
Is that when they're dead?
That's the moment they're sinking.
I haven't got
They're
enough.
starting to
I
come.
haven't got enough heating. I don't know why. Perhaps people are using or something.
You reckon next doors might be taking all the electricity? I think they're starting to float now, so
No, it's taken up yet.
not yet.
No.
The Varenyky should be boiled for about 10 to 15 minutes until they're all floating on the surface. I think they're done.
Pick up.
with Varenyky. You can also fry them.